Today's topic is workability of fresh concrete. This is Dr. J. Sahaya Ruban, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Fresh concrete or plastic concrete is freshly mixed material which can be molded into any shape. The relative quantity of cement, aggregate, and water mixed together control the property of concrete in a wet stage as well as in the hardened stage. The workability is the property of concrete which determines the amount of internal work necessary to produce full compaction. It is measured with the concrete can be handled from mixer stage to its the finally fully compacted stage. A theoretical water cement ratio calculated from the consideration not going to give an idea situation for the maximum strength. 100% compaction of concrete is an important parameter for contributing the maximum strength. Lack of compaction will result in air voids whose damaging effect on strength and durability is equal or more dominant than the presence of capillary cavities. To enable the concrete to be fully compacted, the given effort, normally a higher water cement ratio than the calculated by the theoretical consideration may be required. That is to say, the function of water is also a lubricate to the concrete so that the concrete can be compacted with specified effort forthcoming at the site work. The lubrication required for handling concrete without segregation. For placing without loss of homogeneity, for compaction with the amount of effort forthcoming and to finish it sufficiently easily. The presence of certain quantity of water is a vital important. Quality of concrete satisfying the above requirement is termed as the workability of concrete. The word workability or workable concrete significant much wider and deeper meaning than the other terminology. Consistency often used loosely for workability. Consistency is a general term to indicate the degree of fluidity or the degree of mobility. A concrete which has a high consistency and which is more mobile need not to be a right workable for the particular job. Every job require a particular workability. A concrete which is considered workable for mass concrete foundation is not a workable for a concrete to be used in a roof construction or even in the other construction. Therefore, the word workability assumes full significance of the type of work, thickness of the section, extent of the reinforcement, and mode of compaction. Many research workers try to define the workability, but it is significant much wider property and quality of the concrete. Does not project any other particular meaning. It eludes all precise definition. These are about workability. It is a physical parameter which affects the strength and durability as well as the cost of the labor and appearance of the finishing concrete. So the concrete is said to be workable. It is easily placed and compacted, homogeneous. So this is all about workability of concrete. So some of the factor affecting workability. Workable concrete is the one which exhibit very little internal friction between particle and the particle or which overcome the frictional resistance offered by the former surface or the reinforcement contained in the concrete with a just amount of compaction effort forthcoming. The factor helping concrete to have more lubricating effect to reduce the internal friction to help easily compaction. One is water content, mixed proportion, size of the aggregate, shape of the aggregate, surface texture, grading of aggregate, and use of admixtures. Thank you.